Tasty recipes with mom. Welcome back to my channel. Today's menu is chicken tikka platter. So let's get started. Slit chicken. The chicken has several cuts in it. Add water-free yogurt, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, Kashmiri mirch, chili flakes, roasted zira powder, garam masala, roasted coriander powder, black pepper, chicken powder, food color, soy sauce, red chili sauce, salt. Mix well. Marinate it for 4 hours in fridge. Dried coriander, fennel, black pepper, star anise, nutmeg, bay leaf. Grind them and make powder. Our powder is ready. Cooking oil. Add chopped onions and fry them. Now add chicken bones just for the flavor. Water. Ginger garlic paste. Tomato paste. Green chili. Salt. Cover and cook for a while. Add yogurt. Now add prepared powder. Stir it for a while. Add rest of the marination of the chicken. Cook well. Now add some water. Make the water boil. Water has started boiling, so now add rice. Stir it slightly. Cover it. Now add cool water. Stir it slightly. Cover it again and steam for 10 minutes on high flame and 20 minutes on low flame. 4 hours have passed. Burnt coal is also ready. Take a grill stand. Now put marinated chicken one by one on the grill stand. Close the grill stand. Spread oil on the chicken. Our chicken tikka is ready. 30 minutes have passed and our rice are ready. Now place the chicken tikka on top of rice. Thanks for watching. To watch more, subscribe.